Hey guys, I hope you guys have been doing well. I started my week getting ready for a surprise dinner date with Eric. It's been such a long time since I've gotten ready to go outside, so it was super fun. I decided to wear some brown contacts and start getting to work. I'm sure you guys already know my usual routine by now, so we'll just go through it real quick. On the lawn, and your hand-me-down car feels so far away. Away. I love using the MAC powder foundation to do some extra light concealing around my red spots. Henry decided to join, and he always sits and watches me do my makeup. It is so adorable. I desperately need to find better ways to light up my vanity space because I just always end up turning towards the ceiling light. For today, I decided to use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm going for a light, natural sunset look. I used to suck at doing my eyeliner, but after doing it so many times, I finally nailed it and understand how my eyes look. Feels so far tonight. All that I say, all that I do, I'm over the moon. I curl my lashes so many times when I do my makeup because I have such stubborn lashes. I also can't live without putting bottom lash mascara. I just feel so bare even though it's such a little thing. I still don't know how to contour my nose in a natural way, so please don't come after me. Since I was going to be wearing a mask, I decided to use a tint since it will last longer. Travel the world, still I miss my friends. Seasons turn, go home again. Drive in reverse when the summer ends. You got me high, you got me thinking I want it over again. I'm super excited about doing my hair since I switched to using the thicker roller. It just gives such an effortless blowout curl. You've been on my mind lately, I tell you all the time, baby, you make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine. Fine when you got your
I am obsessed with these earrings that I got from Etsy. And of course, I have to put on my signature scent on, and that is Glossier You. This is the final look. Nothing too crazy, but it still looks like I put some work into it. We went to our friend's place, Shikek, and got some Korean food. I've been craving takoyaki and tteokbokki. We also got sundubu and galbi. I used to work near Bluestone Lane, and me and my coworkers would sometimes get breakfast there.
Start your computations.
One of my favorite things to get there was their ricotta cheese with strawberry and honey on a multigrain. I've been meaning to recreate this for a while, and I finally had all the ingredients. I switched the strawberries out for raspberries, and it was so good. The huge glob of honey in the side kind of wrecked the shot, but nonetheless it was delicious.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
I also made another wellness bowl. This one wasn't as good, but I think I just wasn't digging the salmon as much as the chicken.
Mushrooms, carrots, red onions, mozzarella, salmon, lettuce, tomato, some grains.
It's not all over you about finding something new. Gap in your resume is a red flag.
Look at this burger. It's got like crispy onion rings in it, medium rare. I mean, that's how you should really be eating your burger anyways. Also, like, I've never seen a burger with this many C's on the top, but it's actually like so good. And look at this mac and cheese. Woo.
I have a really bad gag reflex, so I always feel sick when I brush the back of my teeth where my molars are. I saw this toothbrush on TikTok, and it's a 3-sided toothbrush that's supposed to make it easier for you to brush your teeth. It sounded super cool, and I thought, why not? No hurt in trying. I've been using this for a week now, and I really like it. I feel like it cleans the inside of my teeth with so much more ease. My only complaint is the brushes are a bit stiff, so I might have to use a normal toothbrush and then use this toothbrush as a targeted brushing. I just crack up at this point when I wake up and see Henry sleeping all comfortable and almost like a human.
For dinner, we got 탕수육, 찹쌀 탕수육, 짬뽕 볶음, and then 짜장면. Came from a very long way, so hopefully it'll taste good. We are celebrating. Give me a song, 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 song.
I just got a new job, so we decided to celebrate with some creme brulee and Oreo mousse cake.
It's like nothing special now because we get this all the time, you know?
Of course, I ended the week with some yummy coffee, and I hope you guys have a great week. Bye!